This micro-credential deals with ignition systems and consists of 5 targeted skills. This targeted skill deals with troubleshooting original ignition systems. Original and solid-state systems use the same parts to create the spark. However, a solid-state system eliminates several parts for timing the spark. The parts eliminated in a solid-state system are the breaker points, actuating cam, and condenser. So if working on an original system, there are checks that remain. The first part to check is the points. Since the points act as a switch, contact surfaces must be clean and not oily. Spray them with a little carb cleaner. Try not to touch the point faces when installing them. Are the point faces burned or pitted? If not too bad, sand the faces with fine emery cloth. When sanding, keep the faces flat. Otherwise, they will not make good contact. If still pitted, replace the points. Are the points installed and gapped correctly? Both faces need to align closely. Adjust the points gap according to the manufacturer's specs. The gap affects spark timing, so setting the correct space between the point faces is critical. The actuating cam makes the points move. If the cam is part of the crankshaft, nothing can be done. However, if the cam is a separate part, several items need to be checked. Is the cam worn badly? If so, replace it. The cam is keyed to the crankshaft to pin it to a precise location on the crank. Make sure it is positioned correctly or the points will be 180 degrees out of time and no spark will occur. Finally, check the condenser. Special tools are used to check it. If these tools are not available, it's easier to replace the condenser. Remember that a failing condenser is the reason for a failing set of points, so replace both the condenser and the points at the same time. This micro-credential provided information about all of the parts in original ignition systems that time the spark. Problems with each part and suggested fixes were also shown. It may seem a bit overwhelming with so much to remember and test. However, as with any skill, improvement should occur with correct procedures and repetition.